Hey, I have with me Wi-Fi home security camera from a company called LoveU. Let's go check this guy out. The camera I'm going to review is called R3 Wi-Fi home security camera by LoveU. LoveU is a US-based company that specializes in security camera for your home and business. This is a very exciting new camera by LoveU. It is very affordable and the camera could turn 360 degrees. Why R3? I don't know, perhaps it looks kind of like R3 droid from Star Wars. First, let's do a quick unboxing. Setting up the camera is very easy to do. First, plug in the power. Then insert your SD card. 280 gig is a max. Okay, now you have to go to App Store and download the LoveU app. There are other LoveU apps out there, but make sure you get the right one. It just says LoveU. When you first open your app, you need to register. When you're done with your registration, go and click Add Device. Go to Video Surveillance Camera and then choose Smart Camera. From here, you just follow the direction. Here you set the Wi-Fi information for your home. Next, you need to scan the barcode from your app to your camera. But first, make sure you take out the sticker that's covering the camera lens. All done. Now you can see the camera working right away. The main display page is pretty straightforward. You have the screenshot where it saves a screenshot of your image and put it in your photo album. And you have a talk where you could talk through your camera. And then record is you could capture the video from the camera and save it to your phone. Playback, you could watch the recorded video. When you do playback, you'll notice that it records continuously. When you max out the SD card, you'll record it over. And alarm will give you different options for motion detection settings. And the best part of the feature is the direction where you can control the camera up and down, side to side from your phone. Unfortunately, the camera is not smart enough to follow the motion in front of the camera. The camera doesn't completely turn 360 degrees, but it does turn pretty close to 360 degrees. Basic setting menu, you'll see that it supports Alexa and Google Home, and you have a basic option to turn the status light on and off, and you have a setting for infrared setting. You can turn it on and off, and there's an auto section, and then there's an alarm setting, and there's also a human filtering section, and more. So there's a two-way to mount this camera, but first make sure you put the base plate on. You could either put a sticky on the bottom of the base plate and stick it on the wall or on a table, or you could mount it on the wall by using a screw. The camera comes with all the screws you need to mount it on the wall. If you're gonna mount it on the drywall, make sure you use a drywall screw mount. If you want to use a screw, make sure you put the screw on the base plate and then mount the base plate first, and then you could mount the camera. When the camera detects a motion, it gives you alerts. You can click on the alerts and it gives you straight into the alarm section where you could take a look at the screenshot, or you could go to the video and take a look at the alert. If you missed your alert, you can always check out the alert by going to Me section and then go to Message Center. Then you'll see all the alarm that triggered from here. So if you're looking for a home security camera that's very affordable, check out this camera. It's got everything that you need, and you can control the camera remotely. I'll put all the information you need in the description below, so go and check this out.